Today we're making easy and delicious 3-ingredient cookies and cream fudge. To begin, fill a small bowl about halfway full of boiling hot water. Place the second larger bowl on top, ensuring that the water just touches the bottom. Next, place 1.5 cups of white chocolate chips into the bowl and stir until melted. You could also do this over the stove or using a microwave if you would prefer. Once the chocolate is all melted and nice and smooth, then we're going to add in 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found down in the description box below. We're going to stir this until the condensed milk and white chocolate is nice and smooth. Now we can add in 1 cup of mini Oreos. I like to snap these in half, and if you're using the full-size Oreos, you might need to chop them up. Just try not to get the fine pieces of chocolate cookie crumbs in there, or you might end up with a gray fudge. Now I'm just going to gently mix this until it is just combined. It's super important to not over mix. I have lined an 8-inch by 8-inch pan with some plastic wrap. You could also use parchment paper if you would prefer. You don't want to pour it straight into the pan though. Now using your spatula, you're just going to want to spread this evenly across the pan, ensuring that you get to the sides and all of the corners. And if you don't like cookies and cream, I'm going to add some alternate flavors down below as well. Use your spatula to smooth out the top and then cover it tightly with a second piece of plastic wrap. The fudge is going to need to chill for at least 4 hours or up to 3 days. Once it is fully chilled, we can remove the plastic wrap and easily slide it out of the pan. Remove the plastic wrap from the bottom and now we can slice. I like to slice these into 1-inch by 1-inch squares, but you could make them bigger or smaller if you would like. Super important to work fast because the fudge is going to warm up really quickly. And I also like to trim the end pieces off so that you get nice pieces of Oreo peeking through the fudge. So as you can see here, we have the nice white chocolate cream layer and the nice dark chocolate cookie pieces. Store these in mini cupcake wrappers so that they don't stick. And that is how you make this super easy and delicious 3-ingredient Oreo fudge. Its texture is so soft and melt in your mouth delicious. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. Thanks for watching!